Hi, um, I made here a real experiment for the I2C to show that the I2C pins, serial data and serial clock, has no effect on the power or cannot provide power to the chip if the VCC is disconnected. Here we have a MOSFET transistor, B MOSFET transistor, that can be switched on or off with this line of wire. This MOSFET is on, and the voltage here is 3.3 volt to the I2C chip. This chip is input output port expander. It's BCF 8574, and I put here in the ESP a test program which just turn on and off this LED through the I2C bus to the BCF. Now I'll switch this transistor off by removing this wire and removing the ground pins of the gate. Okay, now we see that the voltage here at this chip is now 1.9 volt, but it is not, this voltage is not from the serial data or serial clock pin. It is from this diode or this LED, which is connected to the input through the positive. The anode of the LED is connected to the positive, and the cathode is connected to one of the input output pins of this chip. So if I remove this diode, the voltage here becomes approximately 0 volt or 160 millivolt. Okay, so the one that can provide power to the chip, even if we remove the main power of it, is any input that are connected to the high voltage. But I think if we disable this chip, we will disable also any thing connected to it through the power. Okay, so if we make this LED connected to not to the permanent power, but connected to the switched power, in this case no voltage will be available at the chip, but no effect, or the I2C pin serial data and serial clock has no effect here. I'll also here remove the wire of the I2C here. This two wire is the I2C data and I2C clock. I remove them now, and here there is no effect on the voltage here. It is around 160 millivolt. So this proves that just removing the power from the I2C chip and anything connected to it as input, which can provide power to it, must be also switched off. Thanks.